Now you all must be thinking, what is state ID? What is state ID? Why do you need a state ID?
What is the need of state ID?
Well, let me clear you up. Hi everyone, this is Dipti. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the student content in the United States. So today I'm going to share a huge milestone for me as an international student that I got. That is my state ID. So how I got it, the process and the documents, what I need. So I'm going to share all these things with you. Well, क्यों चाहिए state ID और क्या है इसका importance in United States अगर आप एक US international student है. So every state has its own rules, and in order to apply for your state ID, you need to check your state's DMV's website. As I live in California, so I did it accordingly. So if you're living in Chicago, New York or somewhere else, you can apply for that state's DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles. Now, what is the process and what all sort of documents you need? You must need an I-94, that is a record when you entered in the United States. जब आप enter होते हैं यूएस में तो आपको एक I-94 issue करते हैं वो. अब वो stamps नहीं लगाते हैं passport पे when you are coming as an international student. तो आपके passport पे कोई stamping नहीं होगा, but still there is a online record जो आपको CBP website पे मिल जाएगा. Nobody tells you this, but I'm telling you because I got my I-94 on the very next day when I landed in the US. Second is your I-20 and your visa. There are a few mistakes that students make. First of all, do not carry bunch of documents because you just need 4 to 5 documents that I discussed earlier in the video, and you must get an appointment to avoid the delay, and just go to DMV early in the morning to avoid the long queues. As I witnessed the queue over there, it took me 2 to 3 long hours in that queue at DMV. So do not panic. It's all a smooth process. They just take your photo. You just have to pay them and you're all good to go. So that's all the process, and so let me walk you through the steps how I got my state ID as an international student. Here are some documents that you need while applying for the state ID. That is your passport and the visa, and I-20, your recent I-20, very important. And third is your proof of residence. So these 3 things are there which you need to carry while going for the state ID. Like your recent I-20 must be there with you, and original passport is there. You need not to have a SSN number right now. If you don't have, it's okay. If you have, then it's well and good. I don't have, so I applied it accordingly, and they issued me my state ID. So if you don't have, don't panic, don't worry, still you can apply for this. You need a proof of residence as well. It can be your lease agreement or your utility bills or your bank statements. So with all these documents you can apply for the state ID. First of all, you can apply online. There's an application. You can fill that form and it will take just 10 to 15 minutes, and after that they'll ask you for the appointment. If you going for the appointment thing, that will be very easy for you because there's a long queues in DMV. So if you don't want delays, you can go for the appointment. It's very convenient. If you are an F1 student like me in the United States, I highly recommend you to apply this ID to make your life much easier. So let me know in the comments if you have applied it yet or not, or else you can to apply it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more international student content, and share it with your friend who needs this information. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.